Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of app development, focusing on smoothing out your journey. We'll explore how the report screen development becomes a breeze with the Ionic Design Kit. On the left side of your screen, we're getting hands-on with coding, guided by some official Ionic documentation snippets. Straight in the middle, take a look at this crisp layout made possible with the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we have a phone emulator ready to go, showing you how the code works in real time. The Ionic Design Kit is essentially your ally in the app development arena, grounded in the Ionic framework's solid components. Imagine the ease of just dragging and dropping pre-made elements into your design projects. For developers, this means a farewell to intricate coding since every necessary component is derived directly from the Ionic framework. This toolkit is all about speeding up your app creation, making it more streamlined, and fostering collaboration between designers and developers. Now, onto the statistics or report screen feature. Think of it as your app's control center, displaying essential data, insights, or user activity through a clear, accessible dashboard. This feature allows you to easily monitor your app's key metrics and performance. Feel free to pause this video to grasp the details better. For code snippets, visit our website where all the resources you need are readily available. Are you ready to take your Ionic experience to new heights? The Ionic Design Kit is your ticket to intuitive designs and seamless development. Here's to a coding journey filled with continuous innovation and success. Catch you in the next guide.